Hey dude, what's up? I'm going to show you how to promote products on JVZoo, and I'm going to walk you through on my computer right here, not only how to do this, but also how to find the best products on JVZoo so you can start selling them. So here in front of my computer, I'm going to be showing you how to promote products on JVZoo. Now, JVZoo, I'm sure you're aware of it, but JVZoo is an affiliate platform where a lot of people host products in the business opportunity space, specifically and mostly in the make money online space. So it's a great place to find little softwares or products or PLRs or all these sort of stuff that can help you increase your conversion rates and help you figure out an online business and also sell those products as an affiliate. So I kind of liken it a little bit to like an MLM because it's like a lot of the products teach you how to make money online and they also ask you to promote them as well, but it's all chill. It's not an MLM, it's cool. So here we are on JVZoo's website. This is what it looks like, JVZoo, that's their logo. And you can see right here, it's free to sign up for. So you just sign up right here and yeah, that's free. Or just click this button or whatever. There's a billion buttons. So once you're in the dashboard, you'll see your dashboard right here. And again, it's very much built around a lot of the people that use JVZoo are both selling little digital products or softwares or tools, and they're also buying digital products and softwares and tools because as I said, and that's why you have in the main dashboard, you have your sellers, the amount of money you make as selling products, and they also have the amount of money you make as an affiliate selling other people's products. So it's a big marketplace. Again, there's both sides of the equation, but let's find out how to promote products. So if you want to promote products, what you do is you go under this affiliates tab right here and you will click that and you will click find products, okay, which is highlighted right there to find products. So you'll click that, go into space and loading, and there are a bunch of products here. I mean, I don't know how many products there are here. It's 25 products. And let's just see how many products there are. There are 2,500 pages of 25 product sheets. That means there's over 125,000 different products you can promote as an affiliate. That's absolutely insane. So how do you find the best products to promote? That's the first step. So let's go back here. Now, what you can do is, as you see, I have it sorted by the products that have sold the most, okay? And you'll see the top products here have sold, 113,000 of this product, this Pro Themes product, have sold right here. But again, the problem is if we look under launch date, you'll see the launch date of this product was 2014. That is not good because things change very often in the internet. If you want to be selling somebody a good product, generally it's got to be pretty up to date. That's one of the reasons, I teach people affiliate marketing. That's one of the things I do. And I update my course. I do major overhauls every single year. I do updates every couple months. But the point being, you want to sell a product that's recent if you're going to sell a product at all. So what we can do is we can sort by launch date right here. So I just click that and it's going to space and back. But the problem here is now you get a lot of products that are in pre-launch. So you see these haven't actually been released yet. Maybe they'll have released at the time of this video, but something hasn't launched yet. You don't know how well it's going to sell. One of the main tenets of affiliate marketing or just marketing in general is you want to sell what is selling well. Okay, you don't want to be a pioneer. Pioneering don't pay. You want to be, the people who made the most money out of the gold rush were the people who came in later and started banks and Levi jeans and all that stuff. You want to start a McDonald's. McDonald's sells well. There's McDonald's in every city, yet consistently, people who open McDonald's make the most money. So we could scroll down here and let's go to page 3. And we start getting some products that have sold, 3,000 units. And we can also see this has 17% conversion rate. That's a good conversion rate. That means roughly one out of every, I don't know the numbers, 1 out of every 7 people who comes across this page ends up buying, on average, you make about $50 commission, or your EPC is about $8 per click. So these are good numbers. Okay, if you make $8 for every click you send, or you make $50 for a sale, it means you only really have to sell 2 of that product and you're doing all right for the day. You make $100 a day, that's $3,000 a month. And what we also see here is it has a low refund rate, 2% refund rate. So we're covering our bases and we see, okay, it has a low refund rate. Low refund rate in this space is anything below 10%. That's good. And we also see that, you can make a significant amount of commission from it. Now, in order to promote a product, and this is being sold by Joshua Zamora, we can click on this and learn more about it. And we can see it asks us to request permission. In order to sell this, in order to get an affiliate link, we have to request permission. And we say, this is a demo for I'll just say for my YouTube channel. What's up? Say, I am not a robot. Request affiliate approval. And if you want, you can search more information on the person that's selling this. You can see, okay, they've done a lot of different products, and contact them even here. You could probably just search their name in Facebook. But then I'm just going to request approval. Okay, now it says pending approval. So I would just kind of wait. It might take a day, it might take a couple days for them to actually get back to me and approve my request. What we can also see is they say additional affiliate information here, and it shows visit joshuazamora.com/Sendio to get all the tools you need for a great promotion. So to promote the product, I would want to go to the tools page. I'd copy this, or I'd just go to that site, and I would a lot of the JV documents, that means joint venture partner. And joint venture partner in this space, that's what JVZoo stands for, means that you are sort of partnering with the person to sell the product. Here we have a logo. It says launch runs from this date to this date. And you have all of the materials on this. So we can say the JV page. Let's open that up. Attention, agency acts as the first and only. So this is explaining to us what the actual product is, and it looks like there's a video of Josh explaining, how this helps people out. Now we see it's an autoresponder. It combines email, text, Facebook Messenger in one central dashboard. So that's what the product is. And again, a lot of the products in JVZoo are really directed specifically towards marketers, so this might be a useful product for me because I send people emails, I send people text messages, and I send people Facebook messages, and it's cumbersome because I have to go to 3 different places to send people these messages, and the fact that it's in one central dashboard, that's a useful thing. So if we scroll down here, we have an updates list. You can request approval. And on the JV page, he's showing what other people have promoted him. It's kind of like social proof. In this space, a lot of these people are well-known names. In the these are well-known marketers: Todd Gross, Ben Murray, Jono Armstrong. And the reason why people post these up is because it's kind of like, look, if Tony Robbins approves of what I do, or if somebody like Tony Robbins, Gary Vaynerchuk, or that's a big deal. So let's go back. What we're looking for is seeing, well, this is interesting. We see there are a lot of prizes here. That's nice. Here we go. So this is what we want. So the main way that JVZoo products are promoted is through emails. Okay, it's through sending an email to your audience. If you don't have an audience that has subscribed to your email list to request information from you, you're at a major disadvantage with JVZoo. Most of the top guys that are in JVZoo, they all have email lists. Almost everybody here has an email list of people who have subscribed and trust them. So email is going to be your main way to really do well on JVZoo. And you see, these are the emails that you would put in. Simply, what you can do is, if you have just friends or family, you could surely send them an email and copy paste this message into your email and send it to them. But that, again, your friends and family might have no idea what an autoresponder is. See, they have a bunch of different emails that you can send to people to promote his product. These are emails you can send, and then these are emails you can send. And what this means is before they end the promotion, which is ending at the time I'm shooting this video, the promotion is actually ending today. As I'm shooting this, it is February 26th. You would send the emails in the closing sequence. Okay, you'd send this 12 hours beforehand, 6 hours beforehand, and 90 minutes beforehand to really build up that urgency and scarcity you can to get people to buy the product. Now, if you want to talk to the buyer, the product seller more, which in this case is Joshua Zamora, he gives you his personal Facebook and his Skype to talk to him. And if you have any questions about advertising or promoting his product. Now, another way to promote JVZoo, as I said, if you notice, and generally speaking, you can notice how to promote a product by what swipes are available on the JV page or the affiliate page. They're only giving out emails as their swipes. That means Joshua Zamora is really only expecting people to send emails to promote his product. Now, if you look on a JV page like mine, for instance, you'll notice I give, for my product, the super affiliate system, which is on ClickBank, you'll notice I give emails out, but I also give product backend stuff out, Facebook ads out, YouTube ads out, etc. Because people sell my product on all of these different mediums. The other sort of unspoken way to make money to promote JVZoo products, obviously this appears to be the main way, but the unspoken way is on doing review blogs, okay, or a vlog. So if we Google this, if we take Sendio, we do copy, and we open up Google, and we type in Sendio review, what we will see is there are a lot of people also advertising a review of the product. There's an ad, there's an ad, there's an ad for the review. And you'll also see this. People are doing YouTube reviews of the product. Review, review, review. And let's look at Jono Armstrong's review. So Jono Armstrong is another really good marketer, and he does a lot of interesting stuff, what I call cold traffic methods. So let's check this out. So he's doing
Hi, what's going on, everyone? This is Jono here from
a video review, and he's reviewing this product, and he's going through how Sendio works, okay, and he's going to walk people through kind of how to use it. Now, the reason he does this is to provide extra value so he can make money basically from people who buy from his video. They say, okay, this seems interesting, and also Jono Armstrong has bonuses. If you buy Sendio from his affiliate link, see, you will get additional bonuses. Those are a couple ways to promote JVZoo products. Is you could do emails if you have an email list, which is a very straightforward way. You just open up your email and you put those emails in. But reviews are a really good way to get people if you don't have an email list. And as you see, it's not very complicated. He shot a review using some video screen capture software, and he is same screen capture software I'm probably using called Camtasia, and he's offering additional special bonuses to help people buy. Now, one additional place, if you're looking for a better place than JVZoo to find products, a site I would recommend is called Muncheye. So we see that right here, Muncheye.com, and this has all of the internet marketing launches. And as you see, you can see all of the different launches that are happening each day. So if you wanted to build reviews, or if you wanted to, to do this review, he had to shoot it in advance. So if you want to figure out what's launching, so you could do a video review of the product or a blog review of it, you can just simply find out by going to Muncheye. Cool. So I hope that helped you learn about how to, sorry, I'm eating this chocolate. It's amazing. So hope that shows you how to promote JVZoo products. Now, if you want to learn more about internet marketing and ways you can advertise or promote products, I recommend you go to my channel, or you just click the subscribe button. When you subscribe, you will get a free internet affiliate marketing course. That's what I do. I sell other people's products and I make a commission from doing so. And I teach you how I do that and have made millions of dollars. I currently make about $500,000 per month right now, selling, you know, as a marketer. So you can check that out right here. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions about this, or and like this video if you got some value from it. Looking forward to seeing you promote and make some money.